What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Technical Goodies, and today we're taking a look at the Nuroum open Bluetooth earphones. Now, Nuroum contacted me and wanted to send this over for me to be able to open it up and share it with you all, and the reason that I said yes was because it was a different kind of design than all the different sort of earbuds that we typically take a look at, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a try, open it up, and share it with you. So these are considered open Bluetooth earphones. They're the OW10. Charging time is about an hour. Standby time is approximately 150 hours. Wow. Music time, approximately 10 hours. They are IPX6 waterproof. And again, open design and supposed to be comfortable to wear. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. And again, I just thought these were unique. I'm really excited to give them a try. Sort of a different take on sort of the Bluetooth earphones that we typically take a look at. So in the box here, we have sort of the user manual, the warranty card, and the headphones themselves. Now, one of the things that I'm very much interested in is the fact that I have a very high sensitivity to any sort of pressure behind my ears. I had the ones that go behind my ears before, and they kind of sort of make me queasy. So I'm very interested to see how these work, sort of try them out, see if that is a problem or sort of have any sort of sensitivities to something like that. So here are the headphones themselves. Again, they're by Nuroum, and I guess they kind of fit over your ear and behind the back of your head. It does come with a charging cable here, and this charging cable is a USB-A to a proprietary connection. Oh, I see. That's because these don't have a specific port. You kind of pop them in there for a magnetic charging ability, which I guess is fine. Just make sure you don't lose this little cable. So let's go ahead and give these a try. It looks like on the top here, there's a power button, and there's a little LED on the side here. So I'll go ahead and connect it here to Bluetooth. Shows up right away, Nuroum Bluetooth OW10. Got to check the fit, make sure it fits well, see how it works here. So I've never used something like this, so I'm very interested to see how this works. Interesting. So again, one of the things that I was interested in was why it was considered an open Bluetooth earphone. And I think it's so you're able to kind of sort of listen to music, but at the same time, you don't have the earbuds stuck inside your ear. And I don't like to be in a situation where I don't have any sort of awareness of my surroundings. I don't want to close off the world if I'm running. I don't want to close off the world if I'm outside. I want to hear what's going on around me. And not just for threats and not just for danger, but also understand what's going on in the world around me. So something like this might be absolutely perfect for someone like me. All right, so I've got music playing in the background here. I can still hear my voice. The sound is pretty good. It's actually pretty comparable with any sort of earbuds that I would have in my ear. Now, I have a generally what I would consider to be a big head, and I'm having no issues with the fit. You can see here that the way this fits is that it kind of comes around the back of my head here. It comes up over and then sort of lays over top of my ear here. So what that does is allows me not only to hear the music, which actually really sounds good. One thing to note is that because these aren't sort of jammed inside your ear like earbuds, the volume and the way that it sits here isn't going to blow out your ears. It's not going to be like a super loud volume, which for me, I mean, that's my preference. I like to have just a little bit of background noise. But yeah, it actually sounds really good. I'm surprised the amount of bass that I can hear from this with it not being directly inside my ears, as well as sort of the highs and lows sound great. Yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed by these headphones. I mean, it's something different. And again, like I had said in the beginning, I have a lot of high sensitivity, sort of any pressures. I'm not getting that pressure. I'm actually not feeling any pressure at all on this and the way that this fit. It kind of just sort of sits on my ears and kind of overlaps the ear, puts the sound in and goes around the back. Probably be pretty good for working out or any sort of activities. But let me go ahead and go through the sort of stats again. High quality sound, open design, which is interesting. I'm kind of warming up to it, becoming a fan. Comfortable to wear, stable connection, Bluetooth 5.3, a long battery life, IPX6 waterproof, and it's compatible with all Bluetooth platforms. And again, these are the Nuroum open Bluetooth earphones. Thanks to the folks at Nuroum for sending these over. I love being able to share stuff with you. Again, a unique product, an interesting way to deal with whatever situation that you might want to listen to music. For me, these are going to work great. I've been a big fan of all the Nuroum products, and I love the fact that they're able to send them over, let me share them with you. But again, thumbs up, subscribe, thank you. And until next time, this is Carl from Technical Goodies, and I'm out.